Foldable phones are getting better year after year, but with four different Motorola Razr models available in 2026, choosing the right one can be confusing. Should you save money with the standard Razr? Go for the Plus, go all out with the Ultra, or jump into the tablet-sized Razr Fold. In this video, I'll break down the key differences in performance, cameras, battery life, displays, and value so you can confidently choose the best Motorola Razr for your needs and budget. And before we start, tell me in the comments. If you had to buy your own Razr today, which would you choose? The 2026 Razr, the Razr Plus, the Razr Ultra, or the Razr Fold? The purchasing links are given below. Just go and buy now. Let's find out which one is worth buying in 2026. 1. Motorola Razr Fold. The king of productivity and entertainment, the Razr Fold, is designed for users who want more than just a smartphone. Its massive 1-inch internal display offers a tablet-like experience for multitasking, gaming, watching movies, editing documents, and creating content. Its performance is excellent, thanks to the high-end Snapdragon processor, while its massive 6,000 mAh battery ensures all-day productivity and entertainment. The triple camera system includes a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP telephoto camera. This setup gives you maximum flexibility, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, zooming in, or recording videos. 80W fast charging lets you get back to work or play quickly with minimal downtime. Optional compatibility with the Moto Pen Ultra further enhances note-taking, drawing, and productivity. If you're looking for a foldable device that can replace both your phone and tablet, the Razr Fold is Motorola's most complete device to date. 2. Motorola Razr Ultra 2026. The best foldable phone on the market. If you're looking for Motorola's most powerful foldable phone, the Razr Ultra is the best choice. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, this phone delivers high-end speed for gaming, multitasking, video editing, and AI-powered features. Its 5,000 mAh silicon carbon battery offers superior battery life compared to most foldable phones on the market. The camera performance is also the best in the Razr family. The new 50MP main camera sensor captures more light, resulting in sharper photos, better dynamic range, and superior low-light performance. Thanks to Motorola's image processing, you'll get high-quality photos in almost any situation. The Ultra also boasts a gorgeous 7-inch foldable screen and a 4-inch external display, both with an incredible 165Hz refresh rate. Everything from scrolling to gaming feels exceptionally smooth. With 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll have plenty of room for apps, videos, games, and thousands of photos. If you're looking for the fastest processor, best cameras, highest capacity battery, and smoothest displays, the Razr Ultra is the ultimate foldable phone. 3. Motorola Razr Plus 2026. Ideal for power users. The Razr Plus 2026 is ideal for those who spend a lot of time interacting with the external screen. The main improvement is its 4-inch external display, which makes it easy to reply to messages, navigate apps, and check information without having to unfold the device. Inside, it boasts 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 GB of storage, making it ideal for power users who run multiple apps and store a large number of photos and videos. Its dual 50MP camera system delivers excellent image quality, and the ultra-wide camera lets you capture more in every shot. Video recording is also smooth and detailed, making the Plus a great choice for social media content creators. While the battery is slightly smaller at 4,500 mAh, it offers reliable all-day performance for most users. Choose the Razr Plus if you're looking for a larger external display, more storage, and a more sophisticated everyday experience. 4. Motorola Razr 2026. The best option for most buyers. If you're looking for the best balance between price, performance, battery life, and cameras, the Motorola Razr 2026 is undoubtedly the best option. It features the new MediaTek Dimensity 7450X processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM, providing smooth performance for everyday use, including social media, multitasking, streaming video, and casual gaming. One of its biggest advantages is its 4,800 mAh battery, which has a larger capacity than the more expensive Razr Plus. This means you can comfortably use it all day without worrying about charging. As for the cameras, Motorola has improved the front camera with a 50 MLP's ultra-wide sensor. Combined with the 50 MLP's main camera, You can easily capture detailed photos, expansive landscapes, and group shots. Photos taken in daylight are crisp and vibrant, while Motorola's image processing enhances low-light performance. The 6. 9-inch foldable OLED display offers exceptional brightness and smoothness for videos and games. Additionally, the 3. 6-inch external display lets you check notifications, reply to messages, control music, and even use apps without opening the phone. If you're looking for your first foldable phone, or simply want the best value, the Razr 2026 is the most well-rounded option.